Hello and welcome to How to Live, a guide to happiness and inner peace. My name's Thomas James. I'm a mindfulness coach, spiritual teacher, and an author of my own book, titled the same as this course. Now, the book and the course are really designed as a way to provide a full understanding of what, why, and how, as opposed to just, here's how to meditate. Because a lot of people still don't really do that. Even if they try it, it doesn't work. They're not prepared for what their mind is going to throw at them, and they don't understand the mind to the degree they need to understand it from the point of view of what's the ego really doing, and therefore how is the mind operating. So this provides a deeper understanding, things like the 6 drivers of presence, which really are temperature checks, status checks. And if those qualities or drivers of presence are not present in your life at that point, then you know you're unconscious. And then the activities will make sense. What's happening will make sense. And by understanding our mind, when we bring awareness to it through presence, then we can disconnect from negative thinking patterns and reactivity, our pain points, our triggers. What really irritates us? Is it rational? What's going on in the mind when this is happening? So it's bringing awareness to all these things, and that gives you the freedom to then alter your state, to become free of these preconditioned egoic beliefs and ideologies. What we have internally, we have the tools required. We just need to get out of our own way. And this guide is about helping people to do that. When you walk around and sometimes you just feel like you're in a cloud, it's a mental cloud. You've got too many thoughts going around. Inevitably, those turn into thunderstorms at times. You'll be able to find that clarity that you've been needing, and we can find our true potential, unlimited by fear, by the workings of the mind, which is governed by fear. We can come together. We can have compassion for ourselves and others. We can forgive the past, and we can live in the present moment. Truly in the present moment. So thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy the coming videos.